Solve the inequality negative 10 minus 9 halves times x is less than 80.
This is a two-step inequality, and when we're solving for variables or inequality, we have to use the order of operation in reverse when we're trying to undo things. So if we look at the reverse order of operation, it tells us to undo addition and subtraction first. So what is connected through that variable through addition or subtraction? Now don't get confused when you see this negative 9 halves, because that negative 9 halves is connected through multiplication. So now if we look over here, that's a negative 10, so that is connected through subtraction. Now we have to add 10 on both sides of the inequality. These two are additive inverse, they cancel out, and we're left with 90 over here because 80 plus 10 is 90. Now we can bring everything else down. Now we have to see that negative 9 halves and x is connected through multiplication, so the inverse of multiplication is division. So technically you will have to divide negative 9 halves on both sides, but you cannot divide a fraction by a fraction, so you have to multiply by the reciprocal of that number, which is negative 2/9. So we have to multiply negative 2/9 on both sides of the inequality. We can cross simplify, we're left with x on this side. Now I'm going to cross simplify the other side. They both are divisible by 9. 9 becomes 1, and 90 becomes 10. So now we're left with multiplying 10 times negative 2, which is negative 20. Now remember, in the previous lesson, we had to flip the inequality when we multiply or divide by a negative number. In this case, we did multiply both sides by negative 2/9. So instead of being a less than symbol, we have to use a greater than symbol. So my final answer is x is greater than negative 20.